5 Best Dropshipping Suppliers in Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a global hub for commerce and a strategic location for dropshipping businesses, targeting markets in Asia, Europe, and beyond. With its efficient logistics, high-quality suppliers, and proximity to major manufacturing centers, partnering with Hong Kong-based suppliers can give your store a competitive edge. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Hong Kong to help you grow your online business. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Hong Kong. If you're running a dropshipping store or looking to expand into global markets, these suppliers will provide you with high-quality products, competitive pricing, and fast shipping options. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's get started. At number 5, Asia Commerce. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Asia Commerce, a dropshipping platform connecting sellers to suppliers across Asia. What they offer. Asia Commerce offers a variety of products, including fashion, electronics, beauty products, and home goods. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their easy-to-use platform and support for cross-border logistics make it a great choice for international sellers. Shipping advantage. With suppliers in Hong Kong, they ensure fast delivery to customers in Asia and other regions. If you're looking for a streamlined platform with a wide range of products, Asia Commerce is a great option for your dropshipping business. At number 4, China Brands. Coming in at number 4 is China Brands, a global dropshipping supplier with strong operations in Hong Kong. What they offer. China Brands provides a massive inventory of products, including electronics, clothing, and beauty items. Why they're popular. Their bulk discounts and real-time inventory tracking make it easy to manage your store efficiently. Shipping options. China Brands ships worldwide, with fast fulfillment for customers in Asia and Europe. If you want access to a vast catalog of affordable products, China Brands is a reliable supplier for Hong Kong-based dropshipping. At number 3, Hong Kong Trade Development Council, HKTDC. Next up at number 3 is HKTDC, a platform that connects you directly to Hong Kong manufacturers and wholesalers. What they offer. HKTDC specializes in electronics, lifestyle goods, and high-quality home products. Why it's great for dropshipping. By sourcing directly from manufacturers, you can get better pricing and customizable options for your products. Customer trust. HKTDC is well known in the region for connecting businesses with reliable suppliers. If you're looking for trusted manufacturers and customizable product options, HKTDC is a fantastic resource for your store. At number 2, CJ Dropshipping. Coming in at number 2 is CJ Dropshipping, a versatile platform with warehouses in Hong Kong and across the globe. What they offer. CJ Dropshipping provides a wide selection of products, including fashion, electronics, home goods, and branded items. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their platform integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other platforms, automating inventory and order fulfillment. Shipping advantage. With a warehouse in Hong Kong, CJ Dropshipping offers fast delivery to Asian markets and beyond. If you're looking for automation tools and global fulfillment options, CJ Dropshipping is a top-tier choice for your store. At number 1, AliExpress, via DSers or Oberlo. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is AliExpress, a global marketplace with many suppliers based in Hong Kong. What they offer. AliExpress provides a vast range of products, including gadgets, fashion, home decor, and beauty items. Why they're the best? Their low prices and variety of suppliers allow you to test multiple niches with minimal risk. Shipping options. Many Hong Kong-based AliExpress suppliers offer e-packet shipping, ensuring fast and affordable delivery worldwide. If you want variety, affordability, and global reach, AliExpress is the ultimate partner for your dropshipping business. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Hong Kong. Let's quickly recap the list. AliExpress, via DSers or Oberlo. Best overall for affordability and product variety. CJ Dropshipping, ideal for automation, global fulfillment, and fast shipping. HKTDC, perfect for sourcing directly from trusted Hong Kong manufacturers. China Brands, great for bulk discounts and global shipping options. Asia Commerce, a streamlined platform with cross-border logistics support. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.